Alright guys, so we're in front of 1425 Hudson Street, and we're going to be talking about a brand new listing that we have here. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and I can't wait to show it to you because this is relatively one of the newest buildings in Hoboken, built in just about 2020. Only people started moving in 2021. It's right across the waterfront, overlooking the skyline of Manhattan, in upper town Hoboken, where it's the most preferable part of Hoboken. It's just a more calmer area, more expensive, more luxury part of Hoboken as well, and it's very easily accessible to the city, whether it's the ferry through here where you can get to the city in about 7 minutes, or there's shuttles from this building that take you to the bath that you can really get into within 10 to 15 or maybe 20 minutes super easily. So why don't we get started and check this building out, check out the amenities, what it has to offer, and the brand new units that just absolutely looks amazing. Can't wait to show it to you guys. Welcome home to 1425 Hudson, the latest waterfront new construction from Toll Brothers City Living, offering waterfront living in an exclusive boutique-style building. This amazing east-facing unit with Manhattan views features 1,202 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, incredible natural lights from the oversized windows. The open floor plan, expansive living and dining area is perfect for entertaining. Fully equipped gourmet chef's kitchen with top-of-the-line Thermador appliances, paneled dishwasher, 5-burner gas cooktop, built-in refrigerator and slide-out microwave accented by the sleek quartz countertops and peninsula. Main bedroom features large walk-in closet, en-suite bath with custom quartz dual vanity, stand-up shower, Kohler fixtures and honed limestone floors, making it a one-of-a-kind oasis. The second bedroom can easily serve as a kid's room, home office, or guest room, and features an oversized walk-in closet. Guest bath features modern tile and spacious soaking tub. Gleaming hardwood floors throughout, impeccable finishes, custom remote controlled blinds, Nest thermostats, a washer and dryer in units, central air and ample closet space in entryway and bedrooms complete this unit's stunning home. Building amenities include fitness center, rooftop pool offering unobstructed views of Hudson River and New York City skyline, fireplace, outdoor grills and TV, playroom, 24-hour concierge, and shuttle service to the path. Parking is also available. This home overlooks the newly approved park located just across the street on 15th Street at the formerly proposed Monarch site. The New York Waterway 14th Street ferry is located close by, only 2 minutes to Washington Street, half a block from the farmers market, 5 blocks to Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and NJ Transit Bus to Port Authority. Experience the convenience of everything being just outside of your door, making this the most desirable location on the Hoboken waterfront. Alright, let's check out the gym together. So we have a nice small gym. Not too many people use the gym, just like how it is, right? But we have a good amount of cardio equipment here. Peloton bikes. We have some machines here on this side, where you can see, we have barbell, which is awesome. You can really do most of it, and from what I've heard from one of the neighbors here is that they're actually adding weights here. So if you are also into strength training, they're gonna add those hopefully very soon. But you have overall most of what you need. I do see some dumbbells there, so that might be what they're talking about. So you have your dumbbells, you have your cardio equipment, and you're really good to go here in terms of fitness equipment, which is what's necessary for most people that are looking for a gym. Alright, so we're up on the rooftop floor, and one of the top features of this building is this amazing kind of pool and lounge and barbecue area. So we'll get to see that and surely check out the Manhattan skyline, where you can see the entire New York City from here, and during the night it even gets crazier. But let's get in, and this is how we kind of use the key fob to get into these amenities, whether it's a gym, the children's playground on the second floor, or the rooftop as well. So let's check it out. Alright, so we have a lounge area here where we have the barbecue set up, really nice tables and just seating even a small fireplace outside, which is a really cool kind of look to it. And I'm pretty sure the heat works as well. So if you're out during the night, especially during winter, that could be a useful feature. And when we go towards this side, we have another small kind of lounge and seating area. However, this is where you get the amazing views that you're not going to really see anywhere else. Check this out. You can see it from beginning of New York City from the left side all the way to Lower Manhattan on the right side, all from here. And the reason why we have such a good view is because of the height of this building. It's really over the building in front of us, and you can just capture the entirety of it from here. So that's pretty much it for the rooftop. For this part of the rooftop, we have different kind of rental, storage spaces or patios that a lot of residents are able to rent out or purchase. So when we look at this side, you can really see private, almost terraces or private areas where people can come and open up their own door and have a good time outdoor without being bothered by the public as well. Alright guys, there you have it. We took a look at this amazing apartment that was built very recently. 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and all the amazing amenities it has to offer, whether it's the shuttle to the path, the rooftop, pool, lounge area, as well as a gym and playground, which is absolutely awesome. So if you are considering something like this, or if you are looking in the area, you want to really check out some other apartments in this area, whether it's Hoboken, Jersey City, or the other areas, feel free to reach out, shoot us a comment down below, or we have our information down below, or you can contact us via email, message, text, or click on the link to schedule a Zoom call with us, where we'd be happy to help you navigate through some questions, concerns, anything like that. So outside of that, I want to really thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, tap the notification bell if you still haven't done that, totally free of charge. And outside of that, I'll see you guys on the next one.